Today I'll show you a simple way to find any percentage of a number. Say we have a number like 60 and we want to find 15% of it. This might not come naturally, but all you really have to do is break the percentage up into 10%, 5% and 1%. So trying to think what 15% of 60 is might be tough, but finding 10%, 5% or 1% of it is much easier. To find 10%, all you need to do is move the decimal point one place to the left. So 10% of 60 is 6. To find 5%, that's just half of 10%, which means that 5% is 3. And to find 1%, we just move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So that means that 1% of 60 is 0.6. Now let's try finding 15% of 60 by breaking it up into 10%, 5% and 1%. So 15% is the same as 10% plus 5%. And based on what we already worked out, that just means it equals 6 plus 3. So 15% of 60 is 9. Let's try another one. What's 19% of 300? Well, 19% can be broken down into a 10% plus a 5% plus 4 1%. Because a 10, a 5, and 4 ones make 19. %10 of 300 is 30, because you move the decimal point one place to the left. 5% is just half of 30, so 15. And 1% of 300 is 3. Because you move the decimal point 2 places to the left. And now we can work out 19% of 300 using what we said earlier. So it's 30 plus 15 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Which equals 57. So 57 is 19% of 300. And that's basically all you need to know to find out a percentage of any number.